Hi guys, so before you begin this video, I just want to come and say that in the whole video I've been saying that I want to upload this video on Sunday. I want to upload it on Sunday, but while yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. While I'm shooting this particular clip, I my net stopped working like fully, and everything was ready, the video was edited, the thumbnail was ready, even the description was ready. Just because of my net, I was not able to upload the video. So in the whole video I've been saying I want to upload it on Sunday, so just think that it's Monday. And also I wanted to say that my wall is empty again. If you have watched my bedroom transformation video, my wall had a blanket on it when to cover that blue wall, but the blanket fell down, and I don't want to do the struggle to put it up again because that was a struggle. So I don't want to do that struggle again, and I'm using it the way it is supposed to be used, as a blanket. So yeah, it's the blue wall is going to be the way it is right now. So enjoy the vlog. Hi guys, I'm Natasha. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If I've been here before, then welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the first vlog. So honestly speaking, I didn't have any content for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is Sunday. I want to upload a video, but कुछ था ही नहीं post करने के लिए. So I thought कि let's vlog, and trust me, I'm trying to vlog from past 3 or 4 days. Like Tuesday Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday I thought of vlogging. I started vlogging, but I ended up being non productive. तो कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं होता vlog करने का. So today anyhow I have to be productive क्योंकि कल मुझे वीडियो डालनी है. So I think I'll be a little bit productive today. So let's see. But first I need to go and freshen up. I just woke up like 20 minutes before maybe, and I was like just chilling. And now I need to get up. I need to get dressed. I need to eat my breakfast, and then I have to attend a lecture at 9:30. So let's go and meet my doggy. Cherry, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Give Shagan. Shagan. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're so cute. What's wrong? You want to go out? You want to go out? You want to go out? Go. Go. This is going to take a very long time. It's a 2 hours lecture. Abhi it's 10:05 and my lecture is till I guess 11 or 11:30. So I'll see you once my lecture is over. Hi guys. So I forgot that I have to vlog. Like वैसे भी मैंने कुछ किया नहीं था, but still I forgot to vlog. So now I am continuing vlogging, but I have to eat my lunch. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt, but my teeth are not yellow. I wanted to come and say that, like, my braces are yellow, the braces color is yellow, my teeth are not yellow. These seems like so yellow on the camera. In real life they're not actually very yellow, but since it's showing on camera so much, I just want to come and say that my teeth are not yellow, it's just the color of the braces. But before, I wanted to show you my to-do list for the day. I don't make to-do list every single day, I just make it when I have a lot of work to do and I cannot remember it. So I will put up a picture on the screen of my to-do list so that you can see it as well. Wake up at 7:30. This is a lie, I woke up at 8:30. Shoot the vlog, I'm doing it right now. I pray, I have done praying, and eat breakfast and get ready, attend lecture at 9:30, done. I have done all of the morning stuff. Now these are the stuff that are remaining: make study plan and month plan, English homework, plan for YouTube videos, learn the choreography. I'm learning a choreography, like a dance one, and I am excited because I'm going to make a dance video on it pretty soon. So cannot tell you, but yeah. Then I need to edit this vlog that I'm shooting right now at night. Clean phone gallery, very important. My phone gallery is full of GIFs, WhatsApp messages, and a lot of memes. So yeah. Then I need to write the script, which is also a surprise. It's very close to my heart, and I'm going to make a video on that as well. So I have these many things to do. I think I might have to add a little bit more things that I need to do today, but I don't know. I maybe or may not. So now I have to eat my lunch, and then I'll see you back, and then we'll do the further. Hi guys, so I just finished eating my food, and I was doing a little bit time pass. I was watching a video of Lauren Doan. Lauren Doan. I don't know how to pronounce her surname. So while I was watching, and the video that I'm watching is a day in my life vlog. In case you don't know who is she, I'll just show you. Anything else because it is so hot. I'm gonna cross that class off my to-do list. She is Lauren, and then chill for like 30 minutes before I have to do my partner Zoom. And that's the deal. So. And she just hit 100K. So congrats. I know that she's not going to watch this feed, but still, congrats. So I have also a really cool thing. I wanted to show you this thing. This is basically for my tab that I have, but it doesn't work on my tab. So I connected this to my phone, and this works. Like, let me just show you. It does not work very perfect, but a little bit here and there it works. So, and you can see me. So it works, and let me just type something, like I'm typing it. Woo! Wow, I'm typing my spelling wrong. Actually, I'm not able to see what I'm typing. So it works, and I am so happy that it works, because personally I love working on computers, and this is my channel. In case you haven't subscribed, please go. We are at 25 subscribers, which means someone has subscribed to my channel. Okay, so I wanted to come and say that I literally just forgot to zoom out. I had zoomed in to show you my phone screen, but I just forgot to zoom out, and I was shooting from my back camera, so I didn't realize that you cannot see me properly. So I'm sorry. I know this is not what you wanted to see, but it's just a mistake. I'm sorry. It's gonna get better really soon. So I'm sorry. I love typing. I am so happy because I love typing on keyboards. The only thing is I'm not fast in typing, but I still love to do like that. It feels very professional. So I'm happy, and I am going to edit my videos like this only. It doesn't work बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा. Some of these tabs are not working, but most of them work. All of these alphabets work, so that's more than enough for my editing. And I am happy. I have said that 5 times. So while So I saw my to-do list to see that what I have to do now. So the fastest thing that I can do is not watch, is to clean my phone's gallery. It is like filled so much. So I finished cleaning my phone gallery and storage stuff. I have 207 photos slash videos in my phone, which is very good. And I wanted to clean my tab as well, but I am so overwhelmed. I don't want to do it today. Maybe some next day. It's 5:30 now, and I'm in my parents' room. But I am hungry, so I am thinking of making cheese Maggie. And I also my grandmom wants to eat cheese bread, so I'll make that, and then we'll proceed with our work. But let's head to kitchen because I'm hungry. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, we are in the kitchen and I need to settle somewhere. ट्राईपॉड लाना पड़ेगा अभी क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो बहुत गंदे एंगल्स आते हैं. और माई ग्रैंड मॉम इज स्पीकिंग इन द बैकग्राउंड. Don't mind, just ignore. So for cheese bread you just need bread and cheese, and for Maggi you need Maggi, of course. Then you need I do add oregano a little bit, so I use this one. And then you need cheese cube, and then you need soy sauce and chili sauce. That's all you need. अगर चिली ज़्यादा हो जाता है then you can add a little bit of tomato sauce. Maggie is ready. So this is my plan for the month, like the remaining month. आधा तो मंथ ख़त्म हो ही चुका है. So I have my exam from 2nd October. So these are like subjects that I have written that I have to study. So I have to study IT 2 days, then I have to, from tomorrow I have Eco 2 days, then BK, then OCM, then SP, and then English. And these RRR is for revision. And also on Sunday I have to upload video, which is tomorrow, and then next week on Sunday. I have written these things with blue, which means it is school work, and with red it means it's a work from YouTube. So this is like a simple plan for the month that I made. So now that you have seen my planner, I am not going to make like the November planner like this. This is like very roughly I have made like फटाफट. November planner में, like November month plan में, I am going to add trackers, and like I'll show how to make weekly planners and monthly planners. So you have to wait for that video. But for now I have my book over here, by the way. So I have to study from 7 to 9, and if I'm not able to finish it till 9, I have to study till 10, because I anyhow have to finish this subject of IT today, because kal se there's another subject going to start. So I have to finish it today, and I hope I can finish it till 9. I don't want to study for 3 hours. Oh my god, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't want to study till 3 hours. Hi. So guys, I just finished studying. It's 9:19 and I finished studying IT. I just have 2 pages left which I can do tomorrow in the morning since I have not much to do. Tomorrow is Sunday. Lectures तो है नहीं तो I can chill tomorrow. So I feel so accomplished. Like पढ़ने के बाद जो ऐसा feeling आती है it's like very very different. Like after you finish your studies, it's very different. But now I have to go and eat my dinner. I don't usually I like eat dinner at 10:30, but aaj I am like I have just finished studying and like I want to eat food and then I just want to be relaxed. So after I finish my food, so there is a change in plan. I wanted to eat food and sorry whatever I wanted to eat food and then do all of my works, but since food is not ready yet, I have to complete my work and then I'll eat food. So I was watching Big Boss for a while, but then I was like I need to do stuff. So I am thinking that I'll just paint my nails and plan for the month of November. So let's go and get some nail paint. I am thinking of wearing a light shade or maybe no. Let's see what I have. So I'm thinking of wearing this shade. I feel this looks really good. Is this tan orange or burnt orange? Whatever orange is it. Or I may wear this one. So I have to choose between them. So I'll choose this one. So I'm taking this and let's apply nail paint. So guys, I'm done painting my nails. It looks like this. So yeah, I don't paint like my right hand nails but left hand. It looks really good. I like this color. So now I'll do a little bit of planning for the month of November. My hair, oh my god. So guys, I just wanted to come and say that I am right now going to do scripting. This is my YouTube book. I write everything like YouTube ideas and stuff in it. So I am going to do scripting now, and then I guess right now it's 11 o'clock. I will finish by 11:15 or 30. If you remember in my to-do list there was a thing which I had written, learn the choreography. So I have done that. I am halfway through and I'll do rest of it tomorrow. So I can like take on it because thoda hi baki hai. So guys, I also wanted to say that I am sleeping alone tonight for the first time in my 16-year-old life. I have never slept alone, like never. Let me just explain why, because you may laugh at me, but let me just explain. I have always slept with my parents and they sleep on the bed. I sleep on floor with like my mattress of course, and I get really bad nightmares. Like nightmares are bad and I get extremely bad nightmares, so you can understand what I am being through. So I whenever I have nightmares I tend to wake up from the sleep and I want someone near me. So even if they are asleep I just want someone near me. So that's why I never slept alone. But from some days I feel like Okay, so while I was saying that I never slept alone, light चली गई मेरा bedroom का. Oh my god, my bedroom lights went off and I freaked out. I was so scared and I'm laughing now. I was so scared. I was like, क्या हो गया? And like just light went off. So my heartbeats are like but I wanted to explain that why I haven't slept alone. So nightmares and stuff, and I am also scared of darkness a lot. Abhi jaise light gayi, I freaked out. I screamed. That didn't record, but I screamed, and that's why I never slept alone. But from some days I'm feeling like I have to get that habit of sleeping alone sometime in my life. So why not now? And I asked my parents that if I can sleep alone and if they are okay with it, and they were not like agreeing. They didn't agree at first, but eventually I said them and sleep alone, and they were like, okay, fine, go, whatever you want to do. So I slept. So I'm sleeping alone today at night, and I am excited, nervous, scared, everything. So especially अभी जब light चली गई थी, I was so freaked out. I mean, oh my god. Hey guys, so good morning. It's the next day and happy Sunday to you. Happy Monday. I just woke up, like I woke up at 10 and right now it's like 10:20. So I slept peacefully last night because I was like very tired after editing, like doing rough cuts. They're like very boring. So I was really tired and like I felt like very sleepy, and I slept, and I just slept so peacefully because I got up late, I know, and today was Sunday, so there was like no motive of getting up so early. I usually get up at like 8:30, but today was Sunday, so 10 o'clock is fine. So guys, I totally forgot to cross out our to-do list, so let's do it right now. So I have made the study plan and planned for the month, which is done. Then this is like the only thing that I'm doing today on Sunday. The rest of all the things are done. I have planned for my YouTube videos. I have learned the choreography. I have edited the vlog, like it's almost edited, so I'm gonna take it. I have cleaned my phone gallery. My script is also ready. I have painted my nails and my study IT is also done. So technically all my work is totally done. Shoot vlog is done. Our to-do list is completed. So I just wanted to come and say the outro. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified the next time I upload a new video on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.